Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these RUNFUN slip-on waterproof outdoor shoes. These are super nice, super comfy, and they're slip-on. So it's really easy to just go ahead and slip them on and you're good to go. As you can see, the RUNFUN branding kind of right there on the side. What I really like about these is how well made the soles of these shoes are. These are very sturdy, and they even have a steel shank inside there that will make sure that the sole provides good shock absorption. I really like the camo design. It's waterproof again, so you don't have to worry about water getting on your socks at all. And they're also breathable. Great for like gardening, great for even just walking. I've been using these all day outside. Super nice. And these can also be used for very nice work shoes. Apparently this material is also snake bite resistant as well, so you can go hiking in these or just work out in long grass and not worry about rattlesnake bites. So overall, highly recommend these. Thanks for watching.